Amazing trade recap. We just made 9,300%. I just made $93,000. Trade I share in the private list was SONM, Orbs, BENQI, Chrono.tech, Nano, Bonfida, A2O, VIDT, Datalink. Guys, take a look at these coins here. We make this money because we trade coins with high volume. Volume is confirmation. In order to find those coins, guys, my software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give you a 3 example how this thing is done. SONM, you gotta be impressed what happened to this coin here. On November 19, I shared this trade in the private list. We bought this coin for 20 cents and you put a sell order right here at $1.26. We made 500%, guys. I made $50,000 in this single trade. But take a look how much this coin pump. This coin pump up to $14, guys. This coin pump 6,500%. Okay, I don't control how high the pump goes. I use support and resistance to find my price target. Okay, sometimes this happens because a lot of people they jump in the trade when the coin are pumping, but this is a mistake. But once in a while this thing happens. This coin pumped this much. Take a look at this. I shared this trade in the private list on November 19, but I got the signal of this pump on November 17. Take a look at this volume spike right here. Before the pump, there is a pre-pump on the volume spike. That's why my software is calculating right now volume spike plus buyer power. Okay, that's how. Guys, the reason why I share this trade in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. We don't pump coins on this channel. We buy before the pump. I have a software is tracking the market 24/7. Okay, let me give you more 2 examples how this thing is done. VIDT Datalink. I made $22,000 in this coin. I shared this trade in the private list on November 19. We bought this coin for 0.018 and you put a sell order right here. 0.06, guys. 230% profit. Like I mentioned before. Take a look here. I got the signal right here. November 17, volume spike right here. So I just waiting for the buyer power. When I share in the private list, price go way up there. Nano. Exactly the same thing over and over again, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on November 19. We bought this coin for 56 cents and you put a sell order $1.20. I made 110% on this coin. Take a look at this single pump right here. See this volume spike right here? Guys, all my trades I share in the private list. All you gotta do is to follow my trades, okay? Plain and simple. This is a lifetime opportunity. Subscribe. Let's trade together. Put your name in the private list. Of course, I'm gonna charge you a small amount as a symbolic price because we trade as a family. I do the homework. All you gotta do is to follow my trades. Feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. If you are in South Beach, Miami, pay me a visit. Okay? Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.